Hello, environmental science folks. Today is Friday, yay, and I have an assignment for you. I hope you're all doing well. I really need you to check your emails and your Skyward every day because Skyward is where you'll find out if you didn't get credit, like maybe you thought you did something, but Skyward is where all your grades are, and you need to make sure that me and other teachers are putting in the grades that you think you deserve. And sometimes you might think you did something and turned it in, but you didn't click that last little button and didn't do it. So you really need to check and make sure you're getting all those grades that you deserve and getting credit for all that hard work you're doing. All right, so let's make me smaller and move me over here. Here we go. Here is your homepage. And on your homepage, you can always just go to modules, or you can go to Friday. And on modules here, you will see our latest module. It's dated 10/2, which is Friday, October 2nd. And there's two parts. First part has the notes. Second part has the assessment or the little quiz. And this is Science Basics Part 2. So part 1 talked about the metric system and some other things. Part 2 is going to talk about observations and inferences. So here are the directions. Read the following PowerPoint and follow the instructions. Take notes and answer questions on your INB template, so the template that you started for the day. When finished, go to the second part and take the assessment. It's only 6 quick multiple choice questions. If you don't do the assessment, you don't get any points. So here's the PowerPoint, click on it, and it looks something like this. So it talks about science basics, take notes when you see the notes thing, answer questions when you see the question mark. This talks about quantitative observations, and this talks about qualitative observations. So write down what you think is important in your INB template. This has a little question mark. So here it says create a list of 3 qualitative and 3 quantitative observations. You can do it outside. That would be a good idea. Next slide talks about inferences and facts. So you'll read a little bit about what an inference is. Here's an example. What a fact is. Here's an example. The little notes thing means that you take notes, write them down, write down what you think is important in your INB. And finally, there's 5 quick questions. All you need to do in your INB is put like 1, F, 2, F, 3, I, 4, I, whatever the answer is. So you need to either answer it with an F for a fact or an I for an inference. Write that down in your INB template. And when you're done, that is automatically saved in your INB folder, but you have to go back to the modules and take the assessment. Make sure you take the assessment. It's just a little quick quiz, multiple choice. Here's what it looks like. Here's the first question. Quantitative observations describe something with a specific, so make sure you learned what the difference is between quantitative and qualitative. So you do that, and then it submits itself. I think it's really easy. You have to click submit there, and you're done. So get that done, get credit for it, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Thank you.